You need a boom, ba-dum, bum, boom, ba-dum, bum bass.
Excuse me. Hi MABUHAY. It's me Tasuku. Hello. Today also I have Alvin here.
Woo! 私はアルビンです。はじめまして。よろしくお願いします。
Yeah, すごいね。You do speak Japanese very well.
はい。だから、
Oh my god.
だから素晴らしいです。
そうね。彼は素晴らしい。You are awesome. You are awesome. Okay. In this video, I want to experiment something with you.
Am I the guinea pig?
Guinea pig?
Guinea pig, like you're doing scientific experiment, like you're.
Yeah, experiment.
Am I the guinea pig?
Yeah. Oh my god. No, sorry. Just testing.
Oh, okay.
Just hereafter I will give you some English word.
English words.
Okay. But that English have got super Japanese accent.
Okay.
We call Japanese English. Let's say Japanglish.
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 I would try to understand if Japanese English is understandable. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Actually, Japanese person, they believe that Japanglish is completely from English. That's why they believe, we can use even when go the abroad, still, understandable, for foreigner. That's why I'd like to test whether you can understand precisely what I'm saying about in English.
Okay. Let's get started.
Yeah, let's get started. Okay, here is the script because I don't remember. I cannot memorize. Yay! I provide some Japanese accent, English word, but super hyper Japanese accent. And if you can answer correctly, I give you 1 point.
What will I earn? Will I get 10,000 pesos, 10,000 yen?
What do you want to?
I want dorayaki.
Okay. If you, there is maybe, I calculate it later. Maybe 40. That's why. If you earn 20 points, I give you dorayaki as a reward.
Alright.
First one, key holder.
Key holder? Did I get it right? Key holder.
1
point.
You can?
Yeah, key holder.
Okay.
1 point.
Yay, 1 point.
Dorayaki.
I counted here. And then, gomu.
Gum.
What is that?
Gomu no. Gum.
Yeah. Like rubber.
Yeah, rubber.
You get that. Okay.
Gomu no bazooka.
Okay. 次はね。
Easy.
Consent.
Like your parents' consent.
No.
Really?
No, not like that. Consent.
Concert?
Not concert.
Say it again.
Consent.
Consent.
So.
Consent. Yeah, consent. Like C-O-N. C-E-N-T.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Spelling is correct. But what I'm looking for now,
And
I would like to use consent to charge my cell phone.
consent to charge your cell phone. I like this consent.
Yeah, this one is power source.
Power source?
Power source.
How it became power source?
Outlet. Outlet stands for consent there in Japan.
Consent in Japanese.
Okay,
alright.
Not Japanese in Japanese accent or Japanese Katakana English.
I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next one. Seal.
Syrup. Syrup.
No.
Like shiru, shiru,
No.
shiru,
シール
shiru. Can you give me an example?
I wanna buy shield.
Shield. I want to buy a shield.
No. I wanna buy シール
Shiru. CD. CD.
CD, no. Difficult.
Yeah, very different. More examples, please.
More. I would like to decorate this notebook. That's why I wanna buy シール
Seal. Like stickers.
You get that.
got it,
Yeah, congrats. Yay. Difficult.
A bit. Well, the context clues help me
you-
understand it.
You can guess. Okay. 次。シュークリーム。
The last part is cream. And then what's the first word?
シュークリーム。
Shoe cream, like kiwi. You know kiwi? Like the one you apply for leather shoes? Shoe cream?
No. Actually, you're correct, but I don't mean like that.
Shoe cream.
I want eat shoe cream right here.
I wanna
I wanna eat shoe cream.
I wanna eat ice cream.
More. Almost.
Cream? What cream? I only know shoe cream, facial cream, ice cream.
If I said I wanna eat shoe cream, it's weird.
Yeah, what is the shoe cream? You eat shoe cream?
Yeah, that would be cream puff.
Cream puff.
Cream puff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe you before.
Yeah, but I don't really eat cream puff in the Philippines.
Yeah, cream puff. It's
Maybe
a...
Japanese.
Next one. Seta.
Huh?
Seta.
Set.
No.
Can you give me an example?
Seta. Yeah, I have to buy Seta.
I have to buy
Seta.
Seta where? Where I going to buy Seta?
Seta.
Yeah, where? Restaurant or
Yeah, this one is answer. Like clothing.
Seta?
Clothing.
Oh, this is a Seta.
Yeah, this one Seta.
This is Seta.
Sweater, right.
A sweater!
Yes, sweater.
A sweater!
Yeah,
Okay.
but we call Seta.
Seta.
Okay.
This is a Seta.
So Seta, you can say
And then
Seta.
model. Let's do model.
Okay. Maybe next one will be more easy. いきます。アルミニウム。
Aluminum.
Okay.
Aluminum.
いや、すごい。
I only got 3 points for now.
Now 4.
4.
You
4.
4.
4.
But before I said 20. 20 points. Yeah. If he got 20 points, I give you try again
Yeah.
as the reward. Okay, next one. アルバム。
Album.
おー、すごい。
Album.
いきます。ベビーカ
Huh? Bibingka? You know bibingka in the Philippines?
ー。I
Like,
don't know.
like it's always served during the Christmas. Bibingka is the puto bumbong.
No. Not that. ベビーカ
Baby maker.
ー。ベビーメーカー。What is that?
Like,
Do not. ピリピリピリピリピリ。I do ピリピリピリピリ。Yeah, baby car. I need a purchase baby car in the future.
for your child.
Yeah.
A pacifier. Like a pacifier.
I know.
So why do you want baby care in the future? Maybe because you're old, so you need diaper?
I know.
Is it something you eat?
No.
Something you wear?
No.
Something...
Too difficult. Baby car. I do. Baby car.
Baby car! A baby car!
Not like that.
You need a car!
Yeah. But not like that. This means stroller. Baby stroller. We call it baby car.
A baby car, baby stroller.
Baby stroller. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, next one. Trump.
Donald Trump.
No. I think what you're thinking. No, not that Trump.
Trump. Like my Trump card. Trump card.
Trump card?
Yeah, like your ace card. Trump card.
That's fine.
Am I wrong?
Yeah, almost there. Like playing card.
A playing card.
Playing card.
A playing card.
Yeah. We
Yeah.
go Trump.
Trump.
We go Trump.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So do I get a point for that?
No.
Oh,
Sorry.
I want to react.
Okay. Next one. テーマ。
Hi, Thelma.
No. Hi, Thelma. No.
What?
テーマ。
Theme. It's like theme.
すごい。
Yeah.
Okay. パソコン。
Passport.
No.
Say that again.
パソコン。
I know it. Passport, it's like PC.
Yeah,
Desktop
good.
Yeah.
Now you have 7 points.
Yeah, like personal computer, passport.
いや、そうで、パソコン、みかんパソコン、いきます。プリン。
Pudding.
Oh, good.
I love pudding.
Yeah.
Pudding. You know.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, jigglypuff. Okay, next one. ボンベ。
Bombe? Like a bomb?
Almost there. ボンベ。
Bomb.
No.
Can you use that in a sentence?
I need a ボンベ。
You need a boom, 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 boom bass.
Excuse me. Where can I get ボンベ?
Oh, you mean Bombay, like
I need a ボンベ。
the place in India, Bombay. You know Bombay?
ボンベ No.
I mean stay.
But in order to cook tea, like I need a ボンベ right now.
You need a kettle.
No.ボンベ
I need a fire.
ボンベ Yeah, I need a fire. Then?
A fire, a stove, a kettle, a mug. Then you have a tea.
Boo. Time is up. ボ
Oh.
ンベ stands for butane canister.
Ah.
Butane canister
Ah,
over there.
We don't use that so
So,
much.
ボンベ